birthday memory. Do you have one?
If you want, you can pick anywhere you'd like to go if you want, so she can pick her own.
Hawaii.
Hawaii, okay. That's great.
So, this band is going to be set in the, do we have a drum roll? 60s!
Lovely. Oh, we've got 60s glasses
Yeah.
on.
Yeah?
We have a word search. We're terrible at word searches.
Yeah.
It's an elf thing. And we're looking for 4 different words.
To indicate where the ingredients are.
Have you guys found any?
We lost few items for a very important person during Christmas.
It's the ingredients to make a very fabulous hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate powder,
Marshmallows, cinnamon.
whipped cream.
Yeah.
So you should have some creative supplies. So here we've got kind of stickers, we've got tape,
Googly eyes.
yeah, some pom-poms. So you should have stuff like that, and we're going to decorate our hats.
Milk.
But we are going to turn it into a competition. 5 minutes starting now.
We're going to do a little activity.
One that will get you to safety.
One that will get you out of the country.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to jump with a parachute, or do you want to land the plane yourself?
We're gonna land the plane ourselves.
And we're looking for 4 different words.
To indicate where the ingredients are.
Can I show you mine? It's got googly eyes, as you can see.
Wide selection of cupcakes.
Yeah, they're for you guys.
So would you like either some chocolate or some strawberries? Would you like some chocolate or some strawberries?
Sorry, would you like some chocolate or some strawberries?
Hi, my name is Madeline.
Hi, my name is Madara.
Oh, guys, we found cinnamon!
Marshmallows!
Yay!
Do any of you like marshmallows?
Fridge.
Fridge.
Hold on, I think I know where the fridge is. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
We have,
Yeah, we
have
found the
milk.
milk. So our workshop's going to be around music, and we're going to create a band. And first we've got to decide which decade our band is based in. We're going to ask a few questions. So we'll give you we'll give you a question or have 3 options. But it's not a test. And you choose your favourite one, and each option is related to a decade.
Okay, so the first question is the Beatles. Second is Michael Jackson, Bon Jovi.
Oh, what do you think? Who's your favourite? Beatles, Bon Jovi, and Michael Jackson? No. It's the band.
So we've got 3 instruments to choose from.
You can make the sound of the guitar. Like
Yeah, I know. That's something at least.
Who do you want
The first lady we've got here in pink could be our singer. Lovely. What about our drummer? Who could be our drummer? These 2. Lady in yellow drumming, and so we now have our last person on guitar.
Have you guys got any ideas for any lyrics, any things that you think we should put in our song? The Aristocats, go meow! The Aristocats, go meow!
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Bye!
Well done.